Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper. This motorcycle has long been a favorite among custom bike enthusiasts, and this year it's back with some impressive upgrades. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Fury stand out in the chopper scene. Design and aesthetics. First up, the design. The 2025 Honda Fury maintains its iconic chopper styling with a long, sleek profile that demands attention. The bold lines and custom finishes are perfect for those who appreciate a head-turning ride. New color options for this year include deep metallic blues and rich matte blacks, ensuring there's a Fury to match every personality. The sculpted tank and minimalist fenders contribute to the bike's modern yet classic look. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The Fury is powered by a 1312cc V-twin engine that delivers a thrilling ride. With enhanced torque and improved fuel efficiency, riders can expect a smooth and powerful experience whether on city streets or open highways. The bike's lightweight frame allows for agile handling, making it perfect for both seasoned riders and those new to the chopper scene. Comfort and features. Comfort hasn't been overlooked in the 2025 Fury. The low-slung seat and forward controls provide a relaxed riding position, ideal for long-distance journeys. New features include an updated digital display that offers essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel levels, and trip stats. Plus, enhanced suspension ensures a smoother ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections on the road. Customization options. One of the highlights of owning a Fury is the ability to customize it. Honda offers a range of accessories and aftermarket parts, allowing riders to tailor their bike to fit their personal style. From custom exhaust to unique handlebars, the possibilities are endless. This year, Honda also introduces a new range of aesthetic kits, so you can truly make your Fury one of a kind. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Fury Chopper combines stunning design, robust performance, and exceptional comfort. Whether you're cruising around town or hitting the open road, this bike is sure to impress. If you're considering a new ride this year, the Fury deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe and see you next time. Thanks for joining BikeZone.